Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to leave a group chat on Google Messages. All right. It doesn't matter if you have created the group chat or you were just invited. Okay. So first up, go ahead and open up the Google Messages app. Tap on it. If you are the owner of the specific group, just tap on it. Now tap on the three dots and you could just easily delete this one. Okay. You don't have to leave, as you could just delete it. We go ahead over to group details right here. Here are your group members. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in to one of these accounts. Okay, I'm now logged into the other account. So all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on the group name. Okay, now we have the notification section. Just tap on it. Now make sure that notifications right here are turned off. Okay, for this specific group. Silent, app icon badge disabled, lock screen, don't show, and set this as not a conversation. Okay, once that's done, go ahead and go back, and now you can now delete this message and you won't be able to receive any of these messages anymore, even if you are the owner. Okay, make sure to turn off the notification, and once done, you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.